challenges in identifying even colors. Peter have challenges in identifying even shapes. Mary is conversant with colors. So you see, you'll be able to make such judgment. But mostly in group work, you gauge them as a group. You gauge them as a group because that is a collection of what they have observed. What they have observed. So what skills are we testing in group work? One of the skills that we are testing in group work, one is collaboration. Collaborate. Is Jane able to work with other people? You see. The other thing that we are testing is critical thinking. Critical thinking. Why were they able to think critically concerning that particular topic that they were addressing? Then, problem solving. You have given them a task to do. Were they able to solve that particular problem? So those are some of the things that you are supposed to test when you are testing group work. When you are testing group work. Then, of course, presentation. And we usually say that don't allow that particular group to use that only one person. They can use Mary, they can use Peter, they can use, should be rotation. Why? Because we are growing those skills together. We are growing those skills together. Any question? So, we say that learners learn in different ways. Learners learn in different ways. And one of the ways that learners learn is through observation. They observe you teaching, they observe you doing some illustrations, and they are able to learn. Then learners, they learn through discussion. They learn through discussion. You have given them a particular task, and you want them to discuss that particular assignment that you are giving them. So as they are communicating, they are thinking together. That is one way of helping them to learn together. Then they learn through demonstration. They learn through demonstration. You give them a task to do a demonstration. That is peer assessment. You give them a particular task, they do a demonstration, and so doing, they'll be able to learn. For us, when we were at school, there was someone who was good at a particular subject, and when they were teaching, we were able to catch even more than what the teachers was teaching. So in that demonstration, learners learn a lot of new ideas, communication, critical thinking, problem solving. Those are some of the things that they learn during demonstration. Then we also have they learn through presentation. They learn through presentation. They learn through presentation. When a particular learner do a presentation, they use their own language. They use their own language that is understandable to most of them. You see, so the teacher might be using the teaching method, but the learners, they are using their communication methods, the way they interact with each other, and they are able to learn effectively. Then they also learn through questions and answers. Questions and answers. So after you have taught, you ask them question, the other person they are answering the question. So you find that most of them are learning. Most of them are learning when you ask the question and the other learners are answering that particular question. They are also learning. So the other ones we have discussed concerning assessment methods. Sio tumeongea?